Okay, so I'm just gonna show you like the way I'm doing what we call like a cleansing drink. This is something that I've been doing the last 35 years, and this is something that like all of my teachers in the States have been doing like for like 50 and 60 years, and it's always working. Don't forget, because the body needs to be clean and alkaline in order for your cells to feel good. So what I want to say before I'm showing you this cleansing drink is that you feel like your cells are feeling inside of you, okay? And your cells are feeling good or bad according to the liquids in which they're bathing. And the liquids in which they're bathing are clean or not clean according to the way you live, according to the way you eat. You understand? So it starts by eating more fruits and vegetables, 80-20, having a big salad. When you start eating your food, you just eat a big salad with at least like 8, 9, 10 different vegetables. And then you eat something else after, like quinoa, wild rice, sweet potatoes, avocados, some chicken, some fish if you want to, some nuts or seeds, but stuff that is not gluey and sticky. Okay? And then you go with this cleansing drink, and this cleansing drink is a must. You know, it's herbs that are growing, like tomato plants are growing, like cucumber plants are growing. So herbs are our like best allies. They're our best friends to be able like to help clean the body and regenerate the body. Okay? So this is the cleansing drink. Okay? So this is what I'm using all the time, like kind of a shaker. I have about 10 ounces of water, and then I'm adding to the water like 4 tablespoons of the Allomax. Okay, so Allomax, our Allomax is like the purest form that you can get in the market. It's extremely fresh, it's extremely concentrated, it's all organically grown, and it's giving you like a lot of like antioxidants. You can even like Google like aloe vera on the net, and then you just look at like what aloe have been doing like for thousands of years like on this planet. So you're just adding this 4 tablespoons to the water. Then you're like going with chloroforce. So chloroforce is the same thing. Our chloroforce is like extremely pure and fresh. Best quality, amazing quality, because I need results. I'm looking for results. I'm always looking like to create like the best products like there is on this planet. And the way we do it like is unique also. The water that we're using is absolutely unique too. And this is extremely alkalizing. Like this is extremely alkalizing too. And don't forget that the human species is an alkaline species. Okay, so all of the herbs that you're taking are always making the body like more clean, and they're making the body more alkaline. So this is 2 teaspoons. Okay, I'm just talking to you about like the basics of the cleansing drink. Okay, it could be more of this sometimes, it could be more of this like on other times too. It depends on like what people are going through or whatever, but basically speaking, what I'm telling you today is like 90% of the time. Then you're putting like BioFlow 1. So BioFlow 1 is a very, very mild laxative. It is a mucilaginous fiber. It's unique in like among all the food and the fruits that we are eating. It is a fiber that expands in the water. It becomes like a sponge. It goes inside of the small intestines and the colon, and as it is traveling like inside of the intestines and the colon, it is absorbing all of the gas, the toxins, and everything like a sponge. You know, like imagine like taking a glass of water, you squeeze a sponge, you put it in the water, and then you remove it. There's a lot less water in the glass. It does the same thing. It absorbs toxins. Okay, and then as it's going like along the small intestines and the colon, then when you're eliminating that sponge, you're detoxifying your system. And don't forget that this is a fiber. It's not something that we take like for a week or 2. If you just want to take it like for a month, you can do it. But it's something that everybody should take all the time, because it is something that nature is providing us to keep our colon clean, to make sure that our body fluids remain clean. Okay, so this is 1 teaspoon. Then I'm always putting like Oxyvita. So Oxyvita is a black cherry concentrate. It is made from like very nice cherries, like organically grown. It is like rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It gives you like a very, very good taste. So this drink tastes like like mint, because we have a chloroforce with mint, not that one, but we have a chloroforce cool. So you take it with mint or no mint. The reason we have like both is because some people don't like the mint. Otherwise, I'm always going with the mint because mint is good for your digestive system. So then it's gonna taste cherry alone or cherry and mint. And like I said, it's very easy for kids like to drink it because of the good taste. And this is just adding like antioxidants, okay? And then I'm always taking BioFlow 2. So I'm always like giving people BioFlow 2. So this is a cleansing drink, okay? And this is something that is going to be a mild laxative, and then slowly it rebuilds the movement of the bowel. So it gives your bowel more tone, so that your bowels are gonna start like working better and better and better as you improve your diet, as you cut down like on animal protein and cut down on the gluey, sticky, pasty stuff, and you go up with fruits and vegetables. And if you don't want to cut down too much on the protein and the gluey, sticky stuff, at least go up with your intake of fruits and vegetables. So you just continue eating the same thing as before, but before you eat your plate, you have this big, huge salad to make sure that your bowels are doing a good job, even though you're still eating the gluey and sticky. But the best thing is to cut down on those foods. So then what I'm doing is that I take the capsules. So I'm always asking people to take the drink. You shake it well, like this. You see it's green. Dr. Jensen used to say, when you're green inside, you're clean inside. This is like the most potent, organically grown, wild-crafted herbs that you have in that stuff. It's absolutely amazing for your body. And then people usually are taking 2 capsules or more to make sure that they're eliminating at least like 2-3 times a day. And they're swallowing the capsules with the drink. What I'm doing, and what I've been doing for a long time now, is that because it's a capsule, then it dissolves in the stomach like a bit slower than this. So this goes into the bowel very fast, but this takes like a bit more time to dissolve. So we don't get like all the power together, and it's still working. I'm just giving you another way of doing it, and I'm just giving you a recap so that you understand why you need to keep doing this cleansing drink all your life, because we need to keep clean. It's like a machine. As long as we keep the machine clean, it's going to work very well. It's the same thing with the human body. So now what I do is that I open the capsule. Okay, so I'm just like opening like the capsule, and I'm putting the powder inside. Okay, and because of the Oxyvita and the chloroforce, especially when it's chloroforce cool with the mint, the taste is good, even though those herbs are very bitter. Herbs that are good for the digestive system are very, very bitter, but you don't feel it because of all of these things combined together. It creates like a super cleansing drink. You just close, you mix like this, and you drink it, and you don't feel those herbs. You don't taste it, okay? And then this is going to do the work. So, like, I'm wishing you like very good health always. Like, be careful, like you're responsible for your body terrain. Nobody else can be responsible for their own body. And don't forget that you need to eat like more raw fruit and vegetables, because you're a living being. So living beings have been designed like to eat living food. And when you look around you, you look at nature, you see that animals are much healthier than human beings. You know, like human beings are like the sickest living creature on this planet, and it's because of our way of life. So for now, like I'm just talking about the body, what you need to do is to keep it clean, alkaline, and this is going to do the job with a very good diet by eating more fruits and vegetables. So I'm wishing you like very good health. Take care of yourself, and don't forget that you can go to my YouTube channel to look at all the videos that I'm making to provide you the best information to keep yourself like very vital and happy. Thank you. Have a good day.